Schlage smart locks primarily use a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Common reasons for connection failure include incorrect Wi-Fi setup, router incompatibility, especially with 5 GHz networks, weak Wi-Fi signal strength, outdated lock firmware, or interference from other devices. We'll walk through how to troubleshoot each of these. First, ensure your Schlage lock is properly paired with the Schlage Home app. During setup, select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. It often has 2.4G in its name. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Schlage locks don't support 5 GHz networks, so a dedicated 2.4 GHz SSID is crucial. If you have a dual-band router, ensure it's broadcasting a separate 2.4 GHz signal. Check your router's manual to see how to split the bands. A weak Wi-Fi signal can cause intermittent disconnections with your Schlage lock. Use the Schlage Home app or a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to measure the signal strength near the lock. Aim for at least -50 dBm for reliable connection. If the signal is weak, move your router closer to the lock or consider using a Wi-Fi extender to boost the signal. Outdated firmware in your Schlage lock can lead to Wi-Fi connectivity issues. Check for firmware updates within the Schlage Home app and install them if available. If problems persist, try resetting the lock by holding the Schlage button for about 10 seconds. This clears cached Wi-Fi data and allows you to repair the lock with your network. As a temporary solution, use the Schlage lock's offline capabilities. Most Schlage locks support Bluetooth unlocking within a limited range of around 40 feet. Enable offline mode notifications in the app to stay informed about connectivity status. A physical key is another reliable backup option. Certain router settings can prevent your Schlage lock from connecting to Wi-Fi. One common issue is MAC address filtering, which only allows devices with approved MAC addresses to access the network. If your lock's MAC address isn't on the allowed list, it will be blocked. Another common cause is Wi-Fi interference from other devices operating on the same frequency band. Microwaves, Bluetooth speakers, cordless phones, and even neighboring Wi-Fi networks can interfere with your lock's 2.4 GHz signal. Interference can come from natural sources like lightning, unintentional radiators like power lines, or intentional transmitters like TV stations and other Wi-Fi devices. The 2.4 GHz band is particularly susceptible to these disruptions. The solution is to change your Wi-Fi channel on the router to reduce interference. Log into your router's admin interface and switch to a different channel in the 2.4 GHz band. Channels 1, 6, and 11 are usually the best options as they don't overlap with each other. The Schlage Home app version 6.2 and later includes enhanced diagnostics for Wi-Fi troubleshooting. Use these tools to check real-time signal strength and run automatic router compatibility checks. The app allows you to run automatic router compatibility checks. The app may provide specific recommendations for resolving connection problems based on the diagnostic results. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps and your Schlage lock still refuses to connect to Wi-Fi, it's time to reach out to Schlage customer support. Contact Schlage customer support directly through their website or app. They can offer advanced assistance and diagnose potential hardware issues that require professional attention. Additionally, consult online forums like Reddit or the Schlage community for user experiences and model-specific tips.